feeders. So getting an auto feeder, going on vacation, just happy to be going away, but what am I gonna do about my tank? I can't leave this thing. I can't trust somebody to feed it. So what I'm gonna do is I've got auto feeders for all of my tanks. I have 3 of them. We're gonna try these out. These are the Petbank, and it's a really nice auto feeder. It's got multiple spins per cycle, 4 cycles per day, 24-hour clock, so no worry about AM, PM mix-up. Pretty straightforward, rechargeable, no batteries to replace, which for me is huge. I don't want to deal with that. All right, this is what I do. Put some flakes over a screen. I decided to cut the audio out because the bowl was just making way too much noise, rattling. You wouldn't have been happy. Pushing it through, breaking it up, sifting it through, making it a consistent size. Within 2 minutes in one hand, I was able to break it up, and as you see, it came out pretty fine. It'd be great for the feeder. Get my feeder out and ready. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. And that's it. This feeder is full. I could put a little more in there, but I'm just gonna kind of see how much I go through. You know, I'm just doing, it's kind of hard. Oh, lock it, right? So just to go one click. The crushed up flake food, it did come out pretty good. So here we go. They're eating. They're ravenous eaters. Chip is around here somewhere. Like I said, camera shy. So we got some floating on the top, and they'll make quick work of that. And they do run a surface skimmer, so that won't really be an issue. I'm not really too worried about it. Gonna try and run this for a week or so while I'm still home, probably 2 weeks, and get a good idea of how much food it goes through. You know, what is a good feeding schedule? Right now I have it, I'm gonna go 3, I'm gonna do 7, 12, and 6, so just a midday feeding. I'm home at 7 a.m. just before I leave for work, so I get to see how it reacts. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out some. I really didn't find any videos on using flake food, and I thought of this as a way to make it consistent, and hope it works pretty well. I'll make an update video after I use it for a little bit and review the product after I get to actually see it in action and working, and that it works consistently. How long the battery lasts. That's why I wanted to do this 2 weeks before I went. You know, does the battery make a week? I don't know. We'll find out.
Chip, where were you? I had to do the whole thing alone.
You were supposed to help me.